Alright, so we start off today's video. She has some grown out colored hair here. Looks like a little bit of some layers going. The stylist cuts off the hair. Looks like she might be getting a mullet. Oh, wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this red color that she has here. And she's got like a nice little modern mixie mullet style. Very cute transformation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So this transformation looks like it might feature a color change. Oh, she's doing like the contrasting trend here. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. I love to see the blonde or the platinum mixed with the black. I just think it looks so pretty. One of my favorite trends, definitely. Oh, the split dye. Oh, this is gorgeous. So she has platinum on one side, copper on the other. Wow. Such a cute hair idea. And then we move right into our next color transformation. Looks like she's doing like a money piece ombre color with this red. Oh, pink mixed with like burgundy. Wow, that is really beautiful. Let's color some hair. So there's going to be so many different color options that you can play around with this spring season. A lot of variety. So it looks like we have a reddish brown color here. As you can tell, red is going to be a huge color for this spring. Oh, wow, that looks so pretty. Such a gorgeous color, especially for like the spring, summer season after a long winter of just boring hair. It's a great way to kind of spice things up. Beautiful. So next up, we have someone that starts off with like caramel colored hair. Stylist adds in the color. And this is a really unique hair shade. It's kind of like a plum. I love it in the form of this pixie. I think it looks beautiful against her complexion. Such a stunner. Very cute hairstyle. So here we have someone, it looks like she does have some contrasting hair here. The contrasting hair color trend was huge last year, and it's not as popular, I want to say, in 2024 so far. But it definitely has the potential to get there. I feel like we are doing a lot of color blocking this year though. And that's just like nice blocks of color. A lot of experimentation in general. So this is that same transformation that we actually saw earlier in the video. It's just a longer clip of it. Wow, so pretty. I love this trend. And you can see here that she does have a lot of blocks of color mixed in throughout. Very pretty. So this is another play on the color blocking hair color trend. Philip Wolf does a nice job on doing the color on like this pixie cut style. A nice mix of like an ash blonde, platinum color, and pink and purple there. So after coloring the hair, he goes ahead and does a nice style. So pretty. Like I said, I love the way this pink and purple color looks mixed in with that platinum. He does a nice little funky mohawk inspired style. Very cool. Oh, I love this. And then we have our last transformation for today's video. So she starts off with black hair. Going in with the bleach. And she leaves the salon as a redhead. I love how bold and brilliant this color came out. So pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.